I'm your host, Elizabeth Vine. You're watching A.C.E. News number 14, and this week's autumn joke is, why are trees so carefree during autumn? Because every fall they get to let loose. For all those who are planning on working on school campus projects, due to a positive COVID-19 test within our school community, A.C.E. is suspending volunteer time on campus for 14 days. For any questions, contact Mr. Clausy. Also, this Thursday, November 19, UTI will have a virtual tour of their campus, and you'll have the opportunity to go behind the scenes at Porsche in Grapeville, Texas. So make sure to register. Here's Fleur with the recap of last week.
Last Wednesday, we didn't have school because of Veterans Day. So here are some fun facts about this holiday. France, Britain, Canada, and Australia also honored the World War I and II veterans on or near November 11th. The first Veterans Day parade was held in Birmingham, Alabama in 1947. It was originally called Armistice Day, commemorating the end of World War I. And did you know that Congress changes the date of Veterans Day to the fourth Monday in October in order to give veteran employees a 3-day weekend? The change began in 1971. And now for Alex and Today in History.
Today in History. In 1907, Oklahoma was admitted as the 46th state. In 1999, Johnny Depp received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. In 2001, the movie Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone opened in the US and in the UK. Also, November is National American Indian Heritage Month. This legislation was signed into public law by the President in 2008.
Some Native American figures you may be familiar with are Pocahontas, Squanto, and Sacagawea. If you look at the map of the United States, there are more than 562 tribes in America.
Tribes of the Indian nation you may have heard of consist of Navajo, Shawnee, Cherokee, Apache, Cheyenne, Blackfoot, and more.
1, 2.
It's already recording. Just keep going.
What?
It's already.
That's the end of this week's episode. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and thanks for watching A.C.E. News.
Guys, look, there's a baby turtle on a llama.
National Geographic.
He's sunbathing, bro.
That's the end of this week's episode.
I didn't know we were all doing okay.
You look like a producer, my guy. Like.
I know.
Just the hope. I was like, dude, is she working somewhere?
You need water? I
Gross.
was. Kept last week. No, imagine. Bro, you gotta.
Oh.
Dude,
Go.
just set it on your head.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Leave that, 'cause you're-